I never knew he was this crazy. If not for his mother, he would have burnt that car down.
I'm letting it slide because of the mother. If not, he's supposed to be in a police cell by now.
Oh, please. So, what would people say? That you killed a family member because of a property? I suggest you heed my advice and settle him.
What will people say? What will people say is the reason many people are dying in silence. I can't continue encouraging stupidity because we are blood related. No. I've settled him. He wasted the money. Now he's coming back for more. No, life is not like that. I work hard to make my money. Are you getting me? I don't plug money on trees. So he should work hard and make his own money if it is that easy.
And close our eyes. If only we, the elders of this great tribe, can say things the way they are. I don't think there is any other tribe that can see our back in progress.
Ishebeze, do not deviate from the reason we are here. What does progress and ethnic national got to do with these two brothers fighting over what I don't understand? I beg of you, set the record straight. Please!
We cannot clash here over your two notice me attitude. Yes, you don't expect me to add more flame, more fire to the already burning fire between two brothers. Ichiakudi is here. And by right, you are not supposed to be here in the first place. Akudi and I, we are equal to the task to settle every dispute that is here, to handle it the way it's supposed to be.
You are a liar! You're a liar! What the hell are you talking about? I know all this will happen. That is why I brought him here. Eh? You want to scatter everything, Okoya? I know your judgment will be wrong. I don't trust you too. I brought him here myself because I know you will manipulate things. Eh? He will be here with us until the end of this meeting, and that is final. Final!
Are you stupid? Are you insane? Is something wrong with you? How dare you talk to your uncles in such a disrespectful manner? Eh? You see that piece? You want to disintegrate in this family. Oma walk, Oroge. Yes, Oma walk. What is your problem?
I am not scared of you. Ifugi, I am not scared of you. Ask about me. I am not scared of you or your useless son. Eh? You must give me what rightfully belongs to me. Nobody can sit on my destiny. Yes. Wait. Your son is useless. You both are useless.
Did I hear you well?
Yes.
You called my own son useless.
Very useless.
Nkechi, did you hear that? Did you hear your useless son calling my own son useless?
Yes.
Inuria?
Mama, don't be touching me.
It is you that is useless. You are the one that is worthless. You are the one that is shameless. You are the one that have no regard.
Oh.
Yes. Nonsense.
It's all right. It's all right.
Look at that.
It's all right. After abusing me. It's all right. I will. What is wrong with both of you? What is wrong with you? Eh? It is obvious you have no single respect. No single respect for the elders. Not even a scintilla of it. What is wrong with you? Eh? And I see no reason we'll be here trying to settle issues with a total stranger.
Oh. Yes.
This is a family matter.
You are the strangers. You.
Yes.
You are strangers. You guys, look at him, the stranger.
Our wife. You've seen all that happened here today. When you get back to the city, tell your husband what you saw. Let him know that a whole lot of people are now mad here. Are you still here? I'm out of here. You are not going anywhere. Until this time, let's have to talk to the elders. Nobody is living anywhere. It is not true police. Okay, now let's watch and see now.
And arrest.
Yes, okay.
You must give me what belongs to me, or everybody die here.
You will not do anything on what I thought.
You will not listen to me. You are not listening.
He's just a noise maker.
Hey!
I got free. I got body also. Meaning what? It is happening.
Hey!
I will burn down this house. You give me my bed right now. Give me my bed right now. You think I am joking? You burn down everything. Like that. Listen, if you don't give me what belongs to me, everybody will die. Everybody will die. I know you are not a man. I will know you are not a man. I want you to burn this house. If you are a man, burn this house. Burn the house. Burn it. Burn the house. Burn it. If you are a man, burn this house. You will give me what belongs to me today. It is not working. It is not working. Hey, woman, you have lighter in your bag. Lighter. If you want lighter in your handbag. Oh, where's lighter in your handbag? Lighter. If you don't want it, woman, where's your bag? No. Lighter, big lighter in your bag. Lighter, big lighter in your bag.
I never knew he was this crazy. If not for his mother, he would have burnt that car down.
I'm letting it slide because of the mother. If not, he's supposed to be in a police cell by now.
Honey, please. So, what would people say? That you killed a family member because of a property? I suggest you heed my advice and settle him.
What will people say? What will people say is the reason many people are dying in silence. I can't continue encouraging stupidity because we are blood related. No. I've settled him. He wasted the money. Now he's coming back for more. No, life is not like that. I work hard to make my money. Are you getting me? I don't plug money on trees. So he should work hard and make his own money if it is that easy. I don't encourage stupidity. Nonsense. You keep lazing around and expect someone to be giving you money because of... Oh, my princess is back. How are you? My day was blessed.
Christian, you didn't see me.
Good afternoon.
Oh, how was your day?
Fine.
Would you take her upstairs? She needs to eat and have a bath.
Alright, take care. See you soon.
So, like I was saying, they said they need your presence before for the discussion.
Change topic. Education should do is worse. That's final.
When will all this justice? What have I done wrong? No, why are they treating me like this? I wasn't asking for too much. I am asking for what rightfully belongs to me. Or is it an offense to ask for my birthright again?
Your mother here is contributing to all of this. You see, woman, if you can synergize with your son this time around, then show it. Stop playing good to them.
Nine, stop pushing my son. I am begging you. Ejike here is my only son. And I don't want anything to happen to him. Because if they want to collect everything,
Mama, please, Mbamba, don't even say that. What do you mean if they want to take everything, they should take it? For what now? Do you like my condition? Do you like the way I am? I don't have shishi. I need my own share. My own share, you should give it to me. You're telling me if they want to take anything, they should not take it. They should go for what? Biko, don't even say it. Let them give me what belongs to me. Or else, I will scatter this land, though.
Scatter land now. Is this not land? Start scattering it. The 20 million that was given to you 2 years ago, what did you do with it?
What is 20 million naira compared to what a Fred has in his position?
If you cannot handle small money, you can never handle big money.
Mama, this boy in question is having 500 million naira and above in his account. He has my father's properties, everything in his position. For what now? Should we talk about the cars? Fleet of cars. So many businesses. Give me my own share. Is that too much to ask? And you're telling me I should leave it for him like that? For what?
Then Ejike, you two must have to change the narratives from this settlement saga.
Let's hit it. Let's go.
Your late father is the owner of this property we're talking about. So you have to share it with your brother.
Simple.
You understand?
Yes.
Now, let me tell you, I am willing to offer myself. If you are ready to go and see the Igwe in the palace, I will go with you. Only when you want to.
I am ready. Ichi, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's start going, Mama. Let's go. Ichi, let's go. Let's go.
Just hold on. Your mother too will have to come with us. Igwe will have to ask us some questions.
I am going nowhere with you. I am not moving an inch. You see this fire you're setting? You carry it on your head.
What is this woman talking about?
Are you threatening me?
I am not threatening you. I'm telling you.
Mama, what do you mean you're not going with us to the palace? Eh? Are you scared of that boy? Are you afraid of him?
Afraid of what?
Then let's go and see the Igwe now.
I am not afraid of anybody. You are the cause here.
How?
You are the cause of this problem. I told you. Let these people be. We'll be living in peace until you start fighting them. I told you to leave this thing for me and Nkoli to handle. You said no. See, let me tell you. If you have any problem and run back to me, I will not answer you.
Oh, I don't understand you. What do you mean if I have any problem, I should not run back to you? Is this not our fight? Eh? Am I not your son? What do you mean I should not go and fight for what belongs to me? So if anything happens now, I should just leave them to take everything from me, and you're telling me don't go and fight. You're the one igniting fire. You are this way, you're this way. Do you like my condition?
Keep fighting.
You don't want me to drive car? You don't want me to be in city and enjoy?
Keep fighting.
Maybe go happen that thing. Ichi, please, if you want us to go to the palace right now, I am ready to go. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. I need my own share.
Sir, you said we can go without her.
We can go without her.
If I challenge fighting, I challenge if I do or die, by fire, by force, family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son, one day, you go see.
Good afternoon.
Hey! Look where Nanya people.
Chineke me. This is madness, oh. Hey! So Ejike now moves along the way, talking to himself. Ha! And he almost pushed me down, no? Eh? This afternoon that I was in a good mood. Bikokwa, carry what you carry, you did not see me, Bikon.
If I challenge fighting, I challenge if I do or die, by fire, by force, family ways.
Mama, you people should do the needful now. Call your son. Let him do the needful. I want a share in my father's property. Give me my own share. That is all I want. Let him do the needful. Obi is no more a boy, yo. I'm not a man. I'm not a man. Call him now to do the needful. I will change it for everybody, yo. I will change it for everybody now.
Ejike, are you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you.
Are you by chance referring to me?
I'm talking to you.
If you want to talk to me, you have to respect me. You don't have to come in here and start shouting and barking like a dog. What is the meaning of this? Have you lost it? Are you insane? Are you stupid and crazy? What is all this? Look, let me tell you. We allowed you to work in that company because you're my husband's blood. But now that you have changed it, you have no regard for anyone. You will not get shishi.
You lie!
Again!
Madam, you are a liar. You lie. What do you mean I will not get anything from the company? For what? Am I not part of the family? Eh? Your son gave me just 20 million naira, whereas he's enjoying everything. Over 50 million naira, fleet of cars and every other thing in his position. And you gave me just 20 million naira and you want me to be happy?
You should thank your stars. You should thank your stars. Thank your God that he gave you 20 million naira. But let me tell you, let me put it to you now. Clear that. You see that 20 million? That is the last thing you will ever inherit from my husband's property.
I'm not a baby. Are you hearing me? I am not scared of anybody. I have told you before. I am not scared of you or your son. This is the last time I will come here to talk about this whole thing again. If I come here again, I will kill somebody. Ask about me, I am not Ejike Collins, Ejike. I will do something crazy.
Ejike, do you know what? It's like I'm adding value to your worthless self by replying you. Chisom, Let me go inside.
You are going inside.
You don't, you don't deserve my
You are going inside
attention.
without asking me. You are going inside without giving me what belongs to me. Call your son, oh. Let him do the needful. Let your son do it. I'm telling this now. You are just working out on me. If I start to do something now, you will say I am very stubborn. Call your son to do the needful.
Please. You can't enter this house.
Now, if you touch me again, if you touch me again with your useless, I will just slap you to death.
You have to go.
Call your son to do the needful.
Stop.
If I go fighting, if I do all day, by fire, by force, family we're supposed to be like
you are very stupid. God will punish you there. Idiot. Under fire you.
One day, you go see war, a fool, one day, you go see war, a fool,
Honey, you're taking so long.
Yeah, I'm good to go. My princess, I'll be out for 2 weeks. Make sure you take good care of mom, okay?
Just because she don't come here alone.
You heard that? Just that she doesn't come close to my room. You have to do more, okay?
Yeah, I will from now.
Good. My princess.
Yes.
What should I buy for you now? Biscuit, ice cream, shower, pizza. Okay? Give me 5.
If I go fighting, if I do all day, by fire, by force, family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son, one day, you go see war, a fool bus. One day, you go see war, a fool bus.
That is for who don't know him. He's a toothless bulldog. You know, your husband should just overlook him and move on.
My husband is not even concerned about all of this. He's not. But I know he's not giving up. Do you know that I've been to the village 2 times in just a month? He keeps reporting us as if we're bad people.
But people will not believe him. But how is he related to your husband?
I've not even asked him. But I think they're related by father. Fathers.
You're not even sure about that. If they share same father. And he's already asking for his own share of property. I don't understand. Except the 2 fathers inherited the company from their father. My darling, you need to do your investigation before siding the wrong person, okay?
Yeah, I'll ask my husband about it. But he seems so confident, like he's not bothered. All of this is not concerning him. He's just focused on his work.
Now, wow. Family and wahala problem will never end. My darling, you need to tackle it right now. That is very hot. Else, your children will inherit it, which we don't pray for. So tell me, how is your daughter?
She's with our private teacher upstairs. Let me even go and ask Uju why she's not done with the cooking. I don't know why it's taking so long.
Okay, I'm waiting because I need to eat that food.
Nah, Tony, I'm not happy. Nah, things are going bad for me. I am not happy. Nah, I don't understand. You know me too well now. You know how the ball. You know how well I was doing in my father's company before he died. Now, Fred has turned his back against me. Fred no longer pick my call, no longer reply my messages. I don't know what is going on. My own brother.
Well, I want to ask you something.
Ejike, that is life for you. You mind being so unpredictable.
Nah. Ejike, I want to ask you one question. Have you ever asked yourself, what is it that you did wrong that made Fred to turn his back on you?
Tonero, I don't do anything wrong now. I did not do anything wrong.
I don't understand what is going on, but the only thing that is entering my head each time I'm thinking about this thing is that girl. That girl Fred married. I don't understand. Ever since that girl came into our family, things just changed.
See what I'm talking about?
Fred started misbehaving.
See what I'm talking about? Some women have their way of manipulating their husband. Eh?
Baby, it's only a foolish man that will allow a woman to control him and he will throw away his family and his friends. I mean, what is the beauty of marriage? Is it not when your family and your friends come together? That is what marriage is all about.
Nah, this is your baby and our wife material. 100 yards.
Still on that. That's why all this while I was scared of getting married, because I wouldn't want a woman that would manipulate me or use me. You understand? You know the kind of man I am now.
Okay, go and get married and forget about
Come on, stop that. Eh? I've seen many of them, but I came after you. So, HK, you see what will happen? I will talk to Fred once I get back to the city.
Nah, talk to him now.
But stop being worked out. Come on, enter this motor. Let's go somewhere and drink. Eh? Come on. You're stressing yourself up, man.
Nah, I don't want to drink.
Come on, let's enter motor. Let's go and drink. Come on. Eh? Let's go. Okay, you're intimidating my woman now to sit at the back. You sit at the front. Let's go, Biko.
Oh, soldier never die, you. When trouble comes and go. Oh, soldier always win. No. When trouble comes and go.
What you have turned yourself into? You drink more than your limits.
What's going to be your problem? Huh? If I get drunk, what is your business? Even if I drink to stupor, is it your business? I am happy. Very happy the way I am. Have Makabiko. And you are part of my problems. This girl, you are part of my problems.
So you think by drinking to stupor is the way you will solve your problem?
Yes! So long as I am happy, I will drink and drink and drink. But don't worry.
I am afraid nobody will ever take you serious.
They will take me serious. You are the one that is not taking yourself serious. They will not take you serious.
You are smelling drink. You're smelling alcoholic.
Hey!
What's your problem?
What do you have my problem?
You're disgracing yourself.
You are the one that allowed those people to be looking at me anyhow. You're my mother, stand for me, Simba. You made them start looking at me like a nobody in this village. But I will tell you that I'm a somebody. Very soon, everybody will worship me. It's a promise.
What are you planning to do?
Everybody will be worshiping me in this village.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Just wait. I'm waiting for the king and the elders. In 2 weeks. Just in 2 weeks. After they must have finished whatever they are planning, I will strike. And then, you worship me.
In a strike, Wuche get there.
Wuche get there.
In a strike, Wuche get there.
Wuche get there. Ogini, Wuche get there too.
The way you're smelling.
Abmaka. Did you cook anything?
How you're smelling drink. Look at what you're doing to yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself, Ejike.
I am not ashamed of myself. I am not ashamed of myself. I am not ashamed of myself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh boy. I want to use myself.
Look at my little sister. Get inside. Go inside the house. Get inside the house.
If I cholo fighting, I cholo mamba. If I put you all day, by fire, by force. Family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son. Hey, one day, you go see what.
What do you do? Why they record here now?
Oga fun now. Why they shout? Mind your business now. Wetin happen? Mind your duty post. Or you go collect am o.
Wait o. Na me this mumu they talk to. See, the time where you go collect, that's the way they look for. If you see him, you go collect am well. You don't know.
John.
Madam.
John. John!
Madam!
Who are you talking to at the gate?
Madam, now one nonsense, stupid, useless boy. What comes here? Come the record everywhere. It's not even my ear.
You were talking to a stranger at the gate and you left the gate open. While talking to a stranger, you should not leave the gate open. Go and lock my gate, John.
Okay, ma. What the fool? This just what he's saying be man. See eh? If I catch you, go out of me. Now maybe chief security for all this area. You only me the guides everywhere. Anybody will call. I see you.
John! John!
What be that?
Come and carry your food.
Like this way you take this your two left legs. Yeah? With they like one, I no go put an S for you. When you take and come out, why you no carry the food come?
Do I look like your servant? Or you're not hungry? You're not hungry, leave now.
See you. See this half engine. Watch it, bro. You don't feel carry that food come. If in Ghana you go take 2 hands, carry and come give Oga. I no blame you, na see finish. Champions League football. But this one na food though. Hunger no know anything about shakara. I go carry my food. See, make me today that food though.
If I jolly go fighting, I jolly mamba. If I would do all day, by fire, by force. Family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate.
If I play again, I will win.
Sir, you're not paying me for the game, please.
What did they say, sir? It's not pay for the which game?
Yes.
You know they here when they chop all my money? You know they here when they chop even my watch? They chop my ring. You come here and say, sir. See, anybody will lose money for gambling, they put verse. Avoid me.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
You dey mad? What didn't be sir, please pay you. Sir, in Gegidia. I lost money, never announced sister. Get up. Sir, get inside, idiot. Sir. You see how much they chop me for here? What's happened? I talk to you. Why they look at me? I talk to you. See breast everywhere.
No nonsense man, very mean and wise. Always prepared for fight and war. I'm all working, I'm working. It should have been your child. You see, Karaka Purogi, Dodi, and Manaru, Anayo.
See, educate my son. If you are not violent in this life, people will not take you serious. But if you give him the heat, I bet you, he will rush back to this village and settle you. Don't you think so?
Uncle, you are sounding as if you don't know me. You don't know my plans. If you hear my plans and what I want to do, you will be marveled. You want me to start telling you my plans? Do you want to hear my plans? Everything is set, Uncle. No need to stress yourself. Everything is ready. My boys are just waiting for me to say, fire down, and they will come out and do the needful. I'm a very strict boy.
That shows you're a man then.
If I start executing my plans now, he will come down to this village and start begging me. No two ways about it now.
See, Ejike, philosophy has it that if possibility is made impossible, pressure has a way of balancing equilibrium and make it possible. But I want to say this. Those two men who call themselves your uncle, let them stay clear. Or did you include them in your plans?
Uncle, you like speaking big grammar. Ginebo, equilibrium and equilobia. Be what they talk. Forget about those two useless uncles. Everything is settled. I told you, don't stress yourself about those things. If they speak big English, you'll be like, say, I don't know what they do. Everything is sorted out. You don't know who they call me. I'm from Wazico Odogu. If you want peace, I will give you peace. If you want trouble, I am troublesome. Anything you want, I will give it to you. Double, times 2, times 3. Don't worry. Don't worry yourself. In fact, let me go back and start preparing because...
Wait. I have something to tell you. Just come. You would like to hear it. Come.
I should come.
If I challenge fighting,
If only your son will honor the Igwe's invitation, this case will start up officially.
Ichie, since Ejike and his mother have decided that they will drag this family out to the public, they will get whatever they want. And I'm a Mekwankojao. That I'm keeping quiet does not mean that I don't know what tradition says. I know how tradition treats this type of case. So, Otobla has his choice. I will match them. You got to go? Bomber to bomber.
Well, if I'm to advise you, let us not open the old wound, because that will bring more separation than what we have now.
Ichie.
Yes.
Ejike and their mother, they asked for it. So they will get it anyhow. What is all this nonsense? Huh? Nobody should provoke me, and keep you quiet, I labor for everything they are asking for.
It is no good letting it out in the open. I suggest we make an everlasting peace, because my late brother will not be happy in his grave watching things go the wrong way. That is why I decided to come and let you know before the invitation. So I have to be on my way.
Ichie, you have tried. Thank you. But I will give it to them anyhow they want it. Fakarirom. Fakarirom.
For me, I think you should visit Brother Fred, so you have one-on-one talk with him before going to the palace. Biko.
Chisom, are you sure you are making use of that thing in your brain called sense? Are you insane? Have you lost it? Mama. Why should you talk as if you are a stranger in this house?
Mama, that is my little opinion.
Your opinion does not count. You does not think through the right way. Your brother that traveled out of the country is the one you say I should invite. Invite for what? Have you forgotten? The best thing I have to do is to invite the wife. Let her come. You see Ejike and the mother. Hey, I will deal with them anyhow they want it. Hasika akuwasia. Ongenede. Ana bogo kitone ezuzu. Agabana madabara. I labored for everything. Now they want to reap where they did not sow. Aboyangene. Let nobody provoke me,
If I challenge fighting, if I do all day, by fire, by force, family well support.
Who use the soap I keep here? Again?
Okay.
Where my soap?
Okay, the soap was too small, so I use it.
I said, who used my soap? He said the soap was too small and you used it. What thing concern you with the size of the soap? I keep soap, you touch them. Starting when? What did they bring that nonsense now? No, tell me. Monkey they walk, baboon they chop, abi. I go buy soap, you go use and wash car, go give your aga money. Make it make sense. Are you normal?
Okay, now you don't do now. That small soap, they make you they talk to me like that.
You are very, very stupid. You go buy it. You go buy 4. Buy 4. I said make you buy 4. I love you. No respect. I be your mate. Why you touch my soap? Tell me say small. What thing concern you with the size? Useless idiot. I didn't hear.
I said there is no difference between the guy I saw and your husband. As in, the only difference between them is your husband is rich and educated. You see the other one? He speaks pidgin English and his actions is crazy.
So you're saying you had a face-to-face discussion with him?
I said after slapping the young girl, this guy walked up to me and raised his hand to slap me too. I'm telling you, the only difference is that your husband is gentle. The other one, they behave like Agbero. I'm telling you the honest truth.
This is unbelievable.
You're saying it's unbelievable?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You see that guy? They behave like tout. There's nothing to write home about. So
This is unbelievable. Oh my dear. How are you today? Good afternoon.
How are you, my darling? How was school today? I hope you did well. Nice. High five.
Because Mystic is our cultural day.
Oh, if your daddy doesn't return before then, I'll come and fill in for you.
No, I want him to come because he knows how to dance the cultural dance.
Oh, would you please take her upstairs?
She even knows you don't know how to dance cultural dance. Oh,
please, Rose.
You even refused to learn in school. You remember?
Always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. It should have made your child. You see, Karaka Puroki, Dotting and Manaru. Anayo. You know the fear person, now people the fear. Always prepared, up the wall of my web. Anayo. Isi ni siga kagaka okwadiro maniru zena.
Guys, stop here. They're mad. Why they follow me? Do 360.
No,
I said do 360.
I'm not following you. I was just passing.
Why they follow me?
I'm not following you.
Why they follow me?
Please.
They now, not they provoke me. Why they follow me? No, they say please, they vex me. Why they follow me? Or they please?
I'm sorry, I was just passing by. My name is Rose.
Who send your name? I say why they follow me? Or now come my name is Rose.
I'm not following you, sir. I was just passing by.
Okay, I don't know what they talk. So me now, I don't know what they be passing by.
My name is Rose. No one sent me after.
Why they follow me? Not to make me repeat myself. Now, who time say your name, the Rose? I send your name. Why are you following me?
You look like my friend's husband. That's why I was following you. I'm sorry.
Which kind of man do this? I look like a friend's husband. Is that why you're following me?
Yes.
You
You look exactly like him. Nobody sent me after you.
You're a suspect.
I'm not a suspect. No one sent me after you, I swear. I'm not lying to you.
Sometimes I resemble your friend's sister. You can't follow me. And so if I resemble that person and so?
You look exactly like him.
If I look like him and then, is that enough reason for you to be following me?
I'm sorry.
You don't even get money. Okay, show me the person where you resemble me. Show me the person.
Give me my phone so that I will show you. Give me my bag.
Take this rubbish.
Now the person be this sorry. Look at him. You look exactly like Fred. That's my friend's husband. You look exactly like him. That was why I was following you.
How could you take such a risk? What if he hurts you?
I want to find out something about him.
It's not important. He's just my husband's look-alike, as you claim. And a dangerous one at that. What if he hurts you, Rose? Rose, you're my only friend and I cannot let anything happen to you. Please, stop all of this.
I need to find out something about that guy. There is something, there's more to this.
You have to stop.
I get money before. I did too. I know say I never dressed like that for my life before. That picture no be me. Who be this person? Why you go resemble me like that? Let this guy no go do bad thing no. Make a Kelebe no come wale me for you. Me self when I talk, I not even good now. Whichever way we dey here, nothing there happen. Nothing.
Very mean and wise, always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. A children man, your child, is it gonna go for the good or the Yamanaru? Anayo. You know the fear person, now people they fear it. Always prepared, up on the wall of my web. Anayo. Isi ni siga kagaka opwadiro maniru zena yoso okosigi fobu ide play ide show anayo osenkeche anayo you know one trouble but you know they run away for any trouble a man of war is well prepared.
Ma, good night, Ma. Good night.
I've already put Kristen to bed.
Okay. Would you? Yes, ma'am. Give me a glass of juice before you go.
Okay,
Whoa! Who be that? Who won't knock down my gate now? Who be that? Who won't push down this gate?
Open the gate!
I said, who be that? I dey come. Who they knock like that?
Open the gate!
Hey, drama queen. Who they pursue her? Open the gate.
My dear, the news is all over the TV and radio stations. I'm telling you. You're not aware? Your husband is involved in the plane crash that happened yesterday.
What?
Yes, now.
That's not possible. I called him yesterday night and his number wasn't connecting. I guess he was not with his... What are you saying, Rose?
Where's the remote so that we can search for CNN or Al Jazeera? Because I'm very sure they will repeat the news. The plane crash was around 9:47 p.m. And I don't think any of the passengers survived it. Where's the remote? Let's just, search for the CNN or Al Jazeera.
What are you saying,
Because the
Rose?
plane crash was around 9:47 and the rescue team came this morning. Let's just search. Yes, that is the news. That's it.
Tony, how far now? I've not heard. What happened?
Plane crash! Are you serious? Fred, how did you get the news? CNN! Hey, this is true. CNN is legit now, bro. Oh yeah, record it and send it to my WhatsApp immediately. Just let me see evidence at least so I can go out and start spreading the news now. Mama, do sharp. Record it now.
What? Hey! What news are you talking about?
Good news, Mama. Good news.
What happened?
What God cannot do does not exist. What God cannot do, Mama, it does not exist.
What is it?
Fred is dead.
Are you talking about our own Fred?
Our own Fred now, he is dead. A plane crashed in Ukraine. And it happened that Fred is among the passengers. He's one of the passengers. CNN carried the news now. They carried the news and his name was mentioned. He is dead. Tony, my friend, just called me now to confirm it.
I even asked him to record at least 5 seconds or 10 seconds and send to my WhatsApp. So me too, I will just go out and start spreading the news. I start sharing the news. Everybody go hear and say, Fred, don't die. Hey! Chineke Name. So God can work like this. Mama, Fred is dead. Let him send it to my WhatsApp. Tony, God bless you, Mama. It is no more news, oh. It is now reality. See now, Tony have sent me a video. Look at it from CNN. Are you seeing CNN's logo? Yes. See, this is Fred. Even his pictures was attached to it. That means he is dead. Fred is dead, oh. Fred is dead, oh.
Why are you happy? Why are you happy that you lost your only brother and you are happy?
Who's my only brother, Mama?
Fred is your brother.
That stupid boy, my brother. He's not my brother. Oh. Somebody that doesn't want me to progress. How is it my brother? Even in the Bible made us to understand that any man that doesn't want you to progress or doesn't want you to succeed is not your brother or your friend. It is there now in Exodus, Abi Genesis, somewhere close to Leviticus.
Do you read Bible?
At the bottom line that he is dead. He is dead, he is dead. I am now the richest man. I will take everything. I will claim all his properties. You should be happy. I will take over everything, his properties, including his wife. Everything belongs. Yes, now. Are you joking? You will go with me. We will leave this place and move to the city. Start staying in his house. Everything that belongs to him, it is now mine, officially. Instead of you to be dancing and be happy, you are thinking, crying, wailing. Oh, Basamu, me and now I'm a big boy. You like this, oh? Fred is dead. Let me go and buy drinks so we can celebrate. What I go? If you don't want to drink too, no problem. I will drink for you. Look at it, CNN. Fred is dead. Also go.
Hey, Fred, why? Why did you die? They will think my hand is in your death. Why, Fred? Why did you die? Hey!
This why you around like this everybody. Hope there's no problem.
Ibezem.
Have you not heard? Heard what? As you can see, I'm just coming back from the palace. The Igwe gave me a message to deliver to Fred, and that's where I'm coming from now.
Our Odogu has fallen. Our Odogu has fallen. The news is all over the village.
Chelu. Which Odogu are you talking about? Fred. Hope it's not Fred.
Fred.
What happened to him?
He died on plane crash this morning. As we speak, AGK is celebrating in Natasha's bar. I'm just ready to go and let the mother know about it.
Are you telling me that our Odogu, Fred, died in plane crash?
My brother, that's why I'm going to let the mother know. That's why I'm going now.
Let's go.
Hi! Come, let's go.
Ocholo fight, Ocholo mamba. If Ocholo go fight, Ocholo mamba. If I do all die, by fire, by force. Family we're supposed to be like.
How do we explain this? We have to wait. We have to wait. Of course, we have to wait for her. She's the only one that will confirm the news.
before we know what we're doing. So now we have to wait here. We don't know when she will be coming back. We have to wait here.
But that's what we have to do.
How you say we should leave? What Butoche, Butute, bring mat, bring chair. Let's no. Let us land and sit. What can I say about what? I'm not going now for Daluche.
Their heart is evil.
Today is a good day. Welcome. Hey, today is a good day. Toma Fozo. Number one. Ajak. Number one. Natasha. Because give him one more bottle of black bullets. Let him enjoy himself. Bring anything he wants. Obano must enjoy tonight. That your uncle be hard. Put salt. Use Obano. I'm the happiest man today. My brother Fred is dead. Fred is dead now. And it calls for celebration. Is that why we are celebrating? That is why we are happy and celebrating. Hey, foolish me. And I've been busy drinking. I don't even know why we are celebrating. You are the man. But it calls for celebration anyway.
Ejike, so you are happy, celebrating, drinking because your brother died. Ejike, are you not supposed to be crying?
You want me to be laughing? Do you know why I like you? Why? You are the only person that lost his brother, and he's celebrating it. Not just that, Obinna. Should I shock you? The mother will join soon. And we will still celebrate. We will celebrate. Oh, let everybody die. Even the sister will die. I will celebrate. Oh, anybody that wants to sit on my destiny will die. They will all die. I must possess my position. Oh, okay. I'm the only surviving son. Bring Pomo, Natasha.
Fred is gone. So I will see my husband again. Why me? What do I tell my daughter? Christian is asking about her father. What do I tell her? So I would see my husband again. Why?
It's okay, please, I'm begging you. Please don't cry.
Why?
It's okay, please, Gina. Please, it's okay, please.
How do I continue living? How do I go on living like that?
Please, it's okay, Gina.
Oh, that no go better for you. It no go better for you at all. See my better Oga, my good Oga, that go kill like that. Oh, Oga bottle for stay back. Make I enter that place, go die for you. See all these promises that you've made to me. All of them don't go now.
That's why, my innocent boss. Who is going to look after Madame? What about Christine? What will she do if she finds out you're no more? You would have just taken John. You would have just taken John. Of what use is it to us? You would have just taken John and given us my boss.
Hey, I talk him. Said this short engine. Said she hates me. When me I call the mumu the lover. Hey! See this short engine. Hey! Oh, good people. Good people not the last again. See my guy promise me say he go marry wife for me. Make I become married man. Now all the promises don't go now. What did I go do? I go remain single all the days of my life. Eh? Good people that then they die easily. Why this kind nonsense short engine go still there alive? What did you do their life they do?
You're wishing me death. You're wishing me death. I'll put water baby in your food. I'll put water baby in your food so you can join Ogabe.
Hey! You want to kill me? Okay, if you put water baby now, I go carry you, make we eat together, die together, so that you will go there, go marry. And by then I don't go remain single again now. Hey!
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You should join me. You should join him.
See this savage Champions League football. You want put a tapia for my food? Hey! But you don't say if I don't eat food, I go die. If I eat the one where you put on tapia, I go die. Hey! What I go do? Hey! My God! Hey! My God! And the promises of me being a married man.
Gina, you have to be strong. Please, you have to be strong. Don't forget you have a baby to look after. I know how hard it is for you, but you need to leave to mourn him, okay? Please, you have to be strong. You need to stay strong for him. Let me go and check your daughter upstairs so that I can put her to sleep, okay?
My God is fighting my battle. Everybody is just quiet and seeing everything like flat screen television. Ndilo, shave it off my ass. 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 I told you all, share this thing equally. You are claiming staunch, you are claiming stubborn. Now, what is the update? Fred is dead. Dead and gone. I am the only surviving son of my father now. Now, I will control everything. Everything now belongs to me. I was telling you people, let's do this amicably, but you refused. Ndilo, shave it off my ass, eh? Ndilo, shave it off my ass. You are a hater, shave it off my ass. You are a hater, shave it off my ass. I am a winner, shave it off my ass, eh? I am a winner, shave it off my ass. Ndilo, shave it off my ass. Fred is dead, shave it off my ass, eh? I am a winner, shave it off my ass. I am a winner, shave it off my ass. You are a loser, shave it off my ass. Uncle, let's go. Hey,
Shine, Bobo.
Shine, Bobo. Shine, Bobo.
Derive so much joy in seeing other people's communities. I don't know what to stand to gain in this.
Their heart is evil. I'll be found in joy.
I don't know who we have offended. Where have we got it wrong in this family that we're having this kind of losses? This is the first time we are experiencing this kind of untimely death. What is this?
What about our wife and daughter? We have not seen them. Hope they are fine.
They are fine. She is upstairs. The family doctor is attending to her because she has not been herself ever since she got the information.
She won't be. She won't be. But thank the gods the doctor came in right on time. She's even a strong woman. She's a strong woman. We said we won't wait to be hearing it from outsiders. So we decided to come. That's why we are here.
What about his body? Were they able to recover the body?
The local police that are searching for the body have not contacted us. I believe that if they get any information or see his body, they will put a call across to us.
Mm-hmm.
Who are those two people in the parlor? Who are they?
They are my uncles. They said the news of my dead brother is already in the village.
And who spread the news to them when your brother's body has not been found?
They said Ejike. Ejike is mocking and spreading the news. And even planning to come to the city to take over the house and the properties.
This is war. Hey. Hey. This is war. And who is Ejike to you people?
Now that we have heard directly from you, I think it will be wise we officially tell the Igwe. Because it will be very, very unfair if the body arrived the country before letting him know. How do you say it?
Ibezim is very correct. He's very correct. That news was spread like wildfire in our village by Ejike. Ejike spread that news like wildfire in our village. But nobody believed him. Celebrating it is a mistake and very sacrilegious. We cannot let go unpunished. We said we can no longer wait and be hearing the news from other people, from outsiders. So we decided to come. That's why we are here.
Ejike is our stepbrother. Ejike. I said it openly a week before the plane crash that my brother Fred will never enjoy his wealth. And now he's in the village celebrating and enjoying.
Hey! Now this is war. Hey!
I do not have time for Ejike and his mother now. When I have time for them, everyone will know. The most important thing for me now is to confirm really about my son's death and for the police to search and find his body. Then every other thing will follow. Excuse me. Let me go and check on my daughter-in-law. I'll be back.
Their heart is evil. I've been funny, I've been mad.
This guy is not properly washed. This guy is not properly washed. If you know you can't wash car properly, you tell me, let me take it to another car wash.
That's how you talk. Now your houseboy they talk to. Let's say don't get respect. Car, why I use my hand to wash? You want my repent him? Okay, pay me my money and leave this place.
See, I won't pay you a dime if you know you can't wash this car over and over again.
Now beat, I go beat you over and over again. You them mad? My houseboy they talk to. Give me my money. Car, why I use my hand to wash? You want my repent him?
I won't give you a dime. If you want problem, ask of me. I'll give it to you double.
They share problem.
I'll give it to you.
Now you and my younger brothers gonna do all those things. Me, I don't fight, I kill. Give me my money, but give me the car keys.
You want to steal my car or what? Do you want to steal my car or what?
If you see TV, you go fist stand.
I won't give you a dime.
You don't take what they do to you.
Wait.